everybody, this is the dashboard, and this time we're coming at you from the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly cruise in June, and this is the pole cam. This is a great show. I always enjoy going out to this show. There's always something different to see at this show. There's always plenty of cars. This month it was a little light because of it was on Father's Day. Anyway, here's the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
I broke your thing. No, I literally broke it. It'll hold. There's no even ground. Yeah.
Oh, the guy got back to me about the stripes, side stripes. 100 or $150.
Yeah. Wanted to lose that game so they could come back down here to win the team.
Well, there's that, and if you...
There's no way they beat them 8-1.
Well...
Yeah.
What do you mean, Florida College?
Yeah.
Yeah,
UF has a hockey team.
Really?
They play right up here in Jacksonville at the Igloo. Yeah.
Yeah.
Used to have the Everglades in Fort Myers, and they're just associated with them next year. Hey, maybe you'll get the Everglades. No.
No, we're not there.
Look, no, we won't get the Panthers. Tampa Bay sponsors the Orlando team. Yeah, we watch all kinds of. He tries to find things like that you don't normally see in the car shows to put on his vlog too. So
I edit out the cars that aren't for here.
yeah.
I just zip past them.
Happy Father's Day.
See you next time.
Yes,
Yep.
sir. He's
On the
yeah. Well, you get the front end from that one and the back end from this one. I guess that. I don't think I could take another day like yesterday. It was just 2 on my car. Yeah. What is that?
That's that Vanderhall.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, what church? Yeah, it's right down the road from us. Yeah, we live just this side. Oh, yeah. Well, we know where he's at. Yeah. 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 Got any ride around, huh?
Yeah. The horse didn't stick around very long.
No.
Oh, is it gone? Yeah, it's been gone. Glad I walked over there to look at it before we left.
But that's the thing about here is people, they'll come and they get hot and they're ready to go.
Yeah.
I think that's why he has to make 2 or 3 trips around to make sure he catches all of them. The Lord forbid we miss one. Of course, you don't ever get any comments about, hey, you missed my car, do you?
No.
Of course, people like to see their cars on the internet.
Yeah, it's got pretty bad with the cruisers. They know anytime
It's okay to come here with it, but if it goes anywhere else, he has to trailer it, and he just don't have anyone to help him with it. Yeah.
we met that guy one time.
Sammy, yeah, he was so sweet.
My wife told him.
Yeah, they did a benefit for Sammy's truck yesterday with the New Year Cruiser. They were collecting money so he could continue with the little Hot Wheels cars because he had gotten where he didn't have anything left. So yeah, I guess anybody when they got a little money, they go buy Hot Wheel cars and bring them to him. Yeah, he's willing to take it around. Yeah. Yep, and he loved cars. I work with his wife. She's working today, so that's why he's bought it today. Yeah. Yeah, it's his father-in-law. Randy was sitting over there underneath the canopy. I think one of his sons came and brought the canopy. And probably another truck, but I didn't see he has another car that he brings too. It's got running title.
Well, that ain't here today.
Yeah, that's not here today. Obviously didn't have anyone to drive it, so yeah. So yeah, I take this one to
I'm not sure. I know it's
it does have a tag on it. I didn't when I took pictures of it.
I know that pavement was hot because the thermometer in the truck was reading 98 degrees.
Yeah. I guess they retired it. Yeah. Yeah. They must have retired it. Someone bought it. Burgundy color yesterday. Yeah.
It was a Shelby.
Was it a Shelby?
Yeah. It was a GT350.
How many cars do you think we had here today?
Not a
You won't know till you download your photos, huh?
I don't even know them.
They're like them red wheels. What?
You like it?
They're red? Yeah.
That's a Shelby Super Snake.
Oh. So I'm about done. I've done everything I want, I think, except for the tomatoes. I want to do that box of tomatoes. Yeah, I've done 3. This will be my 3rd box of tomatoes. So yeah, I've got how many? Have a good day.
You too.
But, I did a bushel and a half of corn and got 15 sticks put in the freezer. And that'll do us for the rest of the year. Of course, he was watching it the other day and said, "Man, they must be really backed up and focused." So that train's had on the track, what, 30 minutes?
Yeah.
And blocked all the streets.
I found that one.
Yeah.
They had 3 cars.
The locals.
I know I see y'all almost every time I go to a car show up there.
Yeah. It's ambitious, but we try. Well, I told him, I said, "Yeah, you don't even get pictures of cars. If there's motorcycles, you gotta take pictures of them too." There wasn't any today. Yeah.
I didn't get a picture.
A couple of months we've had slingshots here a lot.
I'm glad that breeze has been blowing. I've enjoyed talking to y'all.
We've joined talking with you too. You need some help out?
No, I'm alright.
Yeah.
I don't want to get in my car fighting ants.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get them off of me now.
Yeah.
Hey, you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.